The creative sound blaster Audigy FX V2 offers an impressive upgrade from your computer's default audio capabilities, delivering high-resolution sound with up to 24-bit 192 kHz playback and 120 decibels dynamic range. With its built-in headphone amplifier, the sound card can drive studio-grade headphones and provides customizable equalization profiles for tailored audio experiences. The SmartComms Kit simplifies online communication, featuring VoiceDetect for automatic unmuting and NoiseClean to reduce background noise during calls. Designed with a compact half-height form factor, the Audigy FX V2 includes interchangeable mounting brackets and supports 4-pole headsets for versatile connectivity. An optional Daughterboard expansion card can enhance the sound card's capabilities to deliver 7.1 discrete surround sound and DSD-256 playback. The combination of hardware and software enhancements ensures that the Sound Blaster Audigy FX V2 delivers an immersive and superior audio experience for both gaming and media consumption.